ng pagka. Nisa! With jersey number 17, Pelayo. With jersey number 11, Bauya. With jersey number 13, De La Cruz. With jersey number 7, Carino. And last but not the least, with jersey number 8, itong Palmetto. And first by Purity, last round. With jersey number 3, jersey number 29, Luciano. With jersey number 6, itong Salazar. And last but not the least, with jersey number 7, the one and only Salazar. And once again, this ball game is brought to you by Tika nga po ka. O pagsumalik ng bayan, check sa gawa. And here we go. And once again, back! Once again for the second trouble. Ating binabaybay, aatake sa gitna. Abay kaga po, shot clock natin. Pumapatak. That's 2 points. Bigay, shot clock natin po. 6 down to 10. Pulang jumper, 100. That's good for 2 points. And once again, last 4 minute event, the first striker. What a nice pass. Ang gandang pass ng bossing. Showing that's good for 2 points. Pilaya ibibigay. Carino. Atake sa ilalim. 2 points. And once again, Bossing. Angat 2 points. And De La Cruz hanapin. Pull-up niya for the wages number 17. That's bullseye. There we go, 2 points. Ang Salazar Tulapsing. Lansing arangkada. What a nice pass, what a nice move, what a nice shot, what a nice gameplay. And that's good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes ago. At yun na nga po, at sumabay ka pa. That's good for 2 points by Salazar. Kakatawag yan. Long pass, and once again, here we go, 2 points. Hindi nga na sila kayo na pagkakataon. Yung pirata yun. Roar, nice drive. 2 points. Tagal-tagal 14 on shot clock. Showing from the rainbow. That's all. For the puta. 2 points. Last 10 seconds. That's the 2 points. Last 5. Salazar. Hanapin sa may bandang ni Luciano. Pandoy makatoy. Pantababan. 3 points. Liwanag hanapin. Ito sa number 11 sa ilalim na naman. 2 points. Esken na kayo na magtitipon. Rangers number 0. Juarez Alio Bakuya. 2 points. Shall we from the rainbow? 3 points! May kaga po yung blind spot. That's good for 2 points! Salazar, susubukan ulit. At bang! 3 points! Maganda yung balda sa kabila. At yun ang matosing! Bang! 3 points! Second for the second quarter of the score game. Bauya nakita sa ilalim. 2 points. What a nice. Hanapin ang mangga. Ang mangga ilalapit pa. May kagapagats. Basket. Valdez. What a nice pass to Valdez from the Rainbow Country. And bang! 3 points. And once again, may kagat sa ilalim. That's good for 2 points. Last pass. Alas talaga na magtitipon. Ibibigay sa Salazar. From Rainbow. And bang! 3 points. At De La Cruz ibibigay. Pulak niya po using the glass. And ang Cayete. That's good for 2 points. Cayete natin. Cayete bumangga ng 2 guhit. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds po yung ating talaan. One and nice fake number number 29 from the Remo country. That's with 3 points. And there we go. Nakita mo kasang Imperial. That's the point na punta. That's good for 2 points. Salazar, sa clock natin. Last stroke on the way. 3 points. Bakuya pull up jumper. Ang gandang bitaw nun. Big ribbon. Medyo lang puso. The cross. Luciano ngayon. Step back from the Remo country. That's balls. 3 points. Ang lasing susubukan. Abay ka nga po. Putas yung dalawang 2 points. And once again, Bakuya sa ilalim. Atake 2 points. And last 5. Lasing gagante. Warnes alip ko Salazar 2 points. Spenda. Ang Spenda, parang good steal. Ang nang Carrillo ngayon. Atake. Warnes po. Tabay ka nga po. That's good for 2 points. Sa ilalim, Bakuya, wala. Ngunit sa Bakoy Valdez, wala pa rin. Sa pangalawang pang-attempt, that's good for 2 points by Bakuya. Sa pagkakataon yan, Lansing Warnes, pass to Salazar. No, punta 2 points by Salazar. And once again, Esmenda ngayon. Akumat pass, Warnes pass. That's good for 2 points by Bakuya. Warnes pass. Baika nga po, all the way. Lansing 2 points. 13, last 1 minute in 10 bossing. On the way by Esmenda. That's 2 points. Baika nga po.